It was a perfect storm that would rob millions of Americans of jobs and homes and savings that they had worked a lifetime to build. In fact, most Americans who've known economic hardship these past several years, they don't think about the collapse of Lehman Brothers when they think about the recession. Instead, they recall the day they got the pink slip.
Economic empowerment in our community can mean a lot of things. One of the areas that we focused on is bankruptcy.
There's primarily two consumer chapters. A Chapter 7 is what they call like a new start. People who also file for Chapter 13s are when they make too much money to do a Chapter 7, but they want to do something like similar to a consolidation plan.
And predatory lending often happens in lower economic areas. It happens with older people, it happens with minorities, or people who just generally need cash really quick.
Those are the folks who actually come to my office after they've been a victim of unscrupulous lending practices, being offered on unfair terms because they're unable to get regular loans because of their credit score or because it could be the color of their skin.
Read the papers. Make sure that you read the papers with the loans. If somebody gives you a loan paper and it's not completely filled out and they ask you to trust them, they'll fill it out for you, don't trust them. Ask somebody that's a friend of the family or someone that you know, someone from your church, someone from your community, a lawyer, the legal aid, because it's very important. Sometimes when things seem too good to be true, when people are offering you credit, calling your home, soliciting you through the mail and giving you these great offers, you need to consider whether it is too good to be true.
The National Bar Association wants you to know your rights. The information in these videos are just that, information. They are not a substitute for legal advice. If you run into an issue, we ask you to consult the authorities and seek legal advice. Find yourself an attorney.